Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I have fixed the URLs for every page, and now we are going to discuss about the uh, okay now we are going to discuss about the contact page. Within the contact page, we have to send mails, this your information, particular user information to your mail, sending mails like that, guys. So if any user wants to contact with you, like they will send their required name and email address and phone number, message, hello, data base is not working, like this, guys. Okay, this is the how they are asking some particular question. This is the reason why they want to connect with you. So they entered the information and submit. Okay, after the submission it should be yeah, I know the reason why it's getting error, so I will tell you uh, within the little bit time. And after entering the submit button, it should go to that particular information, go to the mail, guys. Okay, so this is the reason, this is the thing we are going to fix right now. So you just come here, because why I'm getting this error means, because here I didn't give the password, guys. That is the reason why I'm getting this error, authentication error required. So authentication required. Okay, don't worry about this thing. I will share you with uh, tell you about all these things. Yeah, first step is, in our session, in this session our first section is first contact page information, guys. That is our question. Send to mail, uh, send to mail. Okay, second one, this is the question. So next our problem, next thing is that first of all we need to create database, create database. In this video we are going to use SQLite 3 database. And second step is uh, and ikkada install also, guys. Yeah, here we need to install install library. Okay, yeah, and then connect, create table. Okay, and then uh, configs mail configs, then route route fixing. Yeah, these are the topics we are going to discuss in this video to particular this content. So first of all, I explained how contact page will work, and we need to install, this is so how to install the library, require library for this thing. So you just come to this thing and go to PyCharm, and then preferences. If you want to go here, from here we can go preferences, and then select interpreter. You must select interpreter. So here I have selected this thing, YouTube video block, and here come to plus icon, reloading the libraries guys. So here uh, we need Flask SQL Alchemy. Okay, SQL Alchemy guys. I have not installed. Yeah, you just click on that and install. This is for creating database guys, creating database and table. This is how we are going to process the SQL related data with this library. And you need Flask mail also, because we are going to Flask mail. Yeah, it's installing guys. Yeah, completed, and then install successfully. And then you need a SQLite database, SQLite 3, SQLite 3. Yeah, SQLite 3 here not there. So we have another option. After install everything, you just come and click OK. And if you want to install with a command line, you come to view, and under that tools, tool windows, and terminal. Switch on terminal, and then terminal will open. Yeah, open like this. So here you just check current files. Yeah, so pip install SQLite 3, click OK. Then it will install automatically. The could not satisfy the version. So okay guys, if you want to install SQLite, you can install like this. And now we don't want that, because we are creating SQLite database with SQL Alchemy. So here are the required. So for the creating database, you need to do like this. uh, First of all, we need a SQL Alchemy, and then Flask mail guys. Okay, Flask mail, these are the required packages, libraries or packages. And uh, yeah, this is how you have to import them. And after importing all of them, you just come here, configs, uh, go to node. We have completed the install libraries, and then create table guys. Okay, create table. You just come here with the comments, not contact one. Okay, this is how we need to create the table. Okay, before this one we must create database. Okay, database. So for that process, you just give these things. Okay, these things. And this is the database I have created. For creating this database, you must be in within the this uh, file path guys, project path. Okay, and then like this. Okay, you must be in uh, current files, all current files. Then you create SQLite 3. Okay, SQLite 3 database name guys, like this you have to create your database. Then database files automatically appear here, look like this. Then you must give SQLite path name and database name. This is the how you have to. Okay, this is the how you have to create database guys. After that, uh, after creating the database, you okay, these are the uh, tables for another process. So you focus on this one now, contact table. Okay, contact table is for we have what are requirements we have in that contact page: name, email, phone number, message. Okay, and the id is a primary key. It's a uh, okay, it's default one. Every table should have this thing. Okay, so primary key. And primary key in the sense unique one guys, you know, you must know about that. So if you want to know more about that, you just go and google it. So this is how we are creating database. These are the rows guys. Name is the one row, email is the one row, phone number is the one row, and no, not rows, columns. These are the columns guys. Okay, name, email, phone, message, these four are the columns. So after creating the uh, table like this, you just come to terminal, and same within the current page you click on uh, like this, from app import db guys. Okay, you have to import your db, this thing. Okay, for creating the table, you must enter look like this. After this one, I'm getting this error, but you didn't get this error because of because of this error I'm getting from my local computer. So you will not get this error if you follow my whatever I tell you. uh, I told you the steps in previous. So uh, after this one, you just get a blank one, like after this one like this. Then create all. Okay, create all. It will create the uh, create all function will create the this particular table within the database guys. You will check whether the table is there or not. My blog SQLite 3. Okay, tables. Yes, I have comments, add post, contact table, and like this. Okay, so select uh, con- select star from contact table. Sorry guys. Yeah. Okay, this is how I have entered. Okay, this is the name guys, and the mail. and phone number and text. I have entered all these things and mails and all. These things I'm sending to my mail. That's it, guys. Okay. Uh, After entering, after I will show you the. Okay. After submitted. Okay. After submitted, it will send to your database as well as mail. This is the thing we are going to process, guys. So, oh, sorry. Okay, this is how we are checking the database in database, and now we created the table also. Then we are going to create sending mails. Okay, sending mails to the particular mail. So here are the mail configs, guys. You must be follow with this, and before configs, create configs, you must import this thing, flask mail import mail messages. Okay, mail comma message, and then config mail server. Whatever the mail you have, you mail server you have, you must give that. So I simply given my server is Gmail server, so I simply given smtp gmail.com, smtp.gmail.com, and then app.config port number. This is the port number of the Gmail, guys, Gmail server. And then ssl. Ssl means secure. Okay, simple secure logs. So that should be intro. And then username, whatever you want, whatever you have the email id to send particular data. Okay, to take data from the user, and this is how you have to give. I have given this mail, and then password is required, guys. You must give the password. So here, um, yeah, uh, so here you have to give your own email id and password. Then you will try to run this thing, then it will automatically send. Okay, this is the reason I'm getting authentication error while sending the mail. So after completing this thing, mail configs, you, yeah, one more mail mail migration, guys. Mail migration means like mail equal to, this is the variable we have given, mail. Our entire app will migrate into the mail method. So now our app data should be in here, guys. So after completing these things, now we are going to uh, contact route page. Contact route page is in last. Okay, contact route page, guys, here. So contact route page, what I have, so here we are sending the data. That is why I'm taking methods. Okay, methods within the where like this, methods post comma get comma post. These are the methods. It should be in within the route page. So after that, these are the function. Within the function, I'm passing the data. Okay, first of all I am sending the data to database, then that data, also the data sent to the mail. So name, here, if request dot method post, it means if you are sending the data, if you are really sending the data. Okay, if it's true, then name equal to request dot form dot, because why you are taking form means we are using form, right? So that is the reason why form dot get name. Okay, get name is given in here, guys. Go to contact.html page, and then above that, uh, we have a form. Okay, this one, name equal to name, name equal to email, name equal to phone, name equal to message. Okay, for phone number we have given phone, for message we have given message, for email address we have given email, for name we have given uh, name. Okay, so these are the things I have passed in here: name, email, phone, message. Okay, so after passing these all elements stored in mail, name, mail, phone, message, all this data whatever you entered, all this data stored in here. Then this is the, like we are taking variable as a contact data. So after that, this is the table name, guys, whatever we have created table now. So this is the table name, contact table is a table name. Then we are passing name equal to name. Okay, this name. Email equal to email. Okay, contact table whatever you have. So we have data, no, you have our data in name. So this name is come from database name, database okay, database mentioned name, like given name. Okay, this name, email, phone, message. Okay, this name is from database name, this name is from here. This mail is from database, this mail is from here, same like that. Okay, then db dot section, this is the syntax, guys, for our SQL Alchemy. So db dot we have mentioned before uh, in the talk, db dot section add contact data. Okay, this is this thing we are adding into the database. Then commit, guys. Okay, we are submitting the form like that. So it won't be changed after committed, it won't be changed like that. So this is the thing, sending data from here to here, sending data to database. Now we are sending data to mail from here to here, sending data to mail. So how we are sending? Send equal to message, message means here, this thing. Mail we are using here, and message we are using here. Okay, new message form, new message from particular person, whatever the person entered his name in input box. Okay, it will take that name. Okay, and that name, and sender equal to mail. Okay, that particular mail. So so here uh, recipients is that Rajendra dot Taidala 10 @gmail.com, whatever the mail. Okay, you have to get all this data into that particular mail, you have to give here. Then body message, whatever he was entered in the message box, message text box, we are taking that data here. And phone number. Okay, phone number, and send mail dot send. That's it, guys. This mail we are taking from here. Okay, we are taking from here. So mail dot send, send is a method, this send is this thing. Okay, then what I'm doing after all these required functions are done. Okay, required functions are done, then I am redirecting to the index index page. Okay, after submitted, it should be redirected to the index page, guys, or else contact page, or else it should be in contact page. Like this we have to send data from contact page to the database, and from contact page to the mail as well. This is about I want to share you guys about contact page, and in my case it's not working because of password, so I'm not giving the password, uh, so that you must be try with yourself, create your um, write your own email id and your own password, whatever you have the password, try with your own name. I will give you the this entire code in description, uh, my github link, so you must be downloaded and try it yourself. So thank you everyone to this my tutorial of blog post for contact page. Okay, thank you everyone. If you like this video, you please give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. I will add some more videos about Flask and Python related things, so you must be subscribed to my channel guys and share it also. Thank you once again. Thank you everyone.